Hello everyone, welcome to SFDC Mentor Hub. Today we will learn how to use Flex template in AgentForce Agent Action. So let me move into my OR. So first we will create an Apex class, and that Apex class we will use in our prompt template, and then once the prompt template is created, then we will use that prompt template in our AgentForce Action. So let me move in my Apex class. So I already created one Apex class here, as you can see. So this is my case info Apex class, where I'm just getting the request account name from the user, and using this account name I'm just getting the account. Once we get the account, using this account ID, basically I'm just getting the all related cases, and I just returning the case in the form of JSON. So you can see we have a request class where we have a parameter account name and the data type is string, and similarly for response class we have a prompt variable and the data type is string. Okay, so this is our simple class. Then we will create one prompt template, and this would be the Flex prompt template. So let me provide the name, get case detail for an account. Now we have to add parameter, one input parameter basically which user will provide. So I'm just providing account name, and the API name would be the same which we have defined in the Apex class. So let me copy the variable name here. Let me paste here, and API name also will be same, and the source type will be the free text, and let me save or next. So now we have to just provide the instructions here. So let me copy and paste my instructions. Okay, so here I'm just removing this input because I will use my input. So because this is my input, right, account name, so I'm just taking that input, and the Apex class we have to use my Apex class. I will click on the Apex, and this is my Apex class here, right? So I have added this Apex class which where I'm just getting the all information about the cases, and in the section, so let me add one more line here. First, show me all related cases for above account. Okay, let me save and check this prompt template. So here in the account name variable I will provide the account. So this is a SForce. Let me click on preview. Okay, so here you can see in the result prompt I have provided the SForce, right, account, and in the response I'm getting the information about the cases in the form of JSON, and then the generated response I'm getting all related cases information here, right? And all related cases, this is the cases, right? And so that means our prompt template is working fine. So let me activate this. Now we will use this prompt template in our AgentForce action. So this is my AgentForce agent. I'm just going to open this, and we will create one topic and action inside this agent. So I already created one topic here. Let me extend this. So you can see in the classification description I have provided simple line, if user want case summary for a specific account. Okay, and the scope will be your job is to show the case summary for a specific account, right? And here I have provided the instruction, if user asks for case summary for an account, then call this action. So this is my action basically. So as of now we didn't create any action, but once we created action, then we have to provide the API name of that action. So let's create the action. So here in the new button I will click on create new action. Now the reference action type we will choose the prompt template, then reference. So you can see this is my prompt template name, get case detail for an account. So this is my API name. I will copy and next. Here we have to provide the description. So I will provide same description, if user want case detail for an account, then call this action. Okay, and then we have to provide the loading text. So I'm just providing getting case detail. Fine. Now this is our input variable. So here description I will provide account name which is required. Then we have a second is preview only. We no need to use this input variable. We need only account name, and the output we have to just click on this show in conversation so that we can see all cases information in the conversation. We will click on finish. Now we will use the API name of this action in my topic. So I will go in my topic and I will just remove this API name and paste my exact API name, right? This is my API name, current action API name. I will save this. Let me refresh this agent. Now I will I will provide the prompt. Give me the case detail for S4 account. Now you can see the getting case date. This is my loading text. Now it will give you all the related cases for this account. So you can see this is a summary of all related cases, right? This is a case number and this is also case number. So as of now we have only two cases, so that is why it is giving the information about two cases. And in the middle screen you can see we have provided this input account name, and in the output we are getting the response in the form of JSON, right? So you can see how we can utilize the prompt template, or how we can call the prompt template in the AgentForce actions, right? So that's it for today. Thanks. Follow me for more Salesforce related videos.